Welcome to G3 Investors. I'm Greg Gallagher, and we're going to look at a wonderful week in the neighborhood for the weekend on August 26th. Well, stocks crashed after Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, Wyoming on Friday. The Wall Street finally got the message that the Fed is going to raise interest rates through 2023. So here's what it looked like at the close of business. This is my trading desk. And so we took a position in the SQQ, which is the ultra short of the Qs at 38.80. And we held it into the close and got stopped out at 41.86, just shy of the high there, the closing high. And so we made 3,000 on that trade. Then we also traded the SDS, the SPY, and the TWM, which is the Russell, the inverse of the Russell, and the DXD is the inverse of the Dow. So we made eight grand on those four trades. That's a good day. That's a good day in the market for us. All right, I wanted to show you what a crash looks like on the S&P 500 one-day performance or heat map, and you can see there's a lot of red on the screen. In fact, electronic arts right there, and Take-Two Interactive Software, and Molina Healthcare. That's it. The only green on the entire screen. So it was a real vicious day. Okay, so here's how we did. For the month, we're up 6.2%. Almost 104% year to date. So we're doing really well. We're crushing our benchmarks, the S&P 500 by 118% and the NASDAQ by 126. If you're interested in becoming a G3 patron, sign up there in the yellow, and then you can follow me on the YouTube channel right there. Let's go back and take a look at some charts. Just to take a look at what do we got here? Okay, this is a one-year chart of the S&P 500, and you can see we're in this downtrend, and it ran right into its 200-day moving average, and then it pulled back. So when it broke out here above this 50-day here, that's the 200 is the red, the 50-day is the blue. I considered the market, in an uptrend mode, and I still think it is. It'd have to get below down here around 395 for me to say this trend has reversed. It's an ugly day by any measure, but it doesn't necessarily mean what's going to happen on Monday. I don't have a clue. And I don't think anybody else does either. This is the NASDAQ 100. It didn't make it to its 200-day moving average, but it's still in between. And again, I want to see it down around 300 before I'd say, hey, this thing looks like it's probably going to go much lower. So this could be, it's still a sidewinding market or a sideways market, and it could go anywhere from here. Nobody knows. Pretty much doesn't make a difference what we look at. I mean, if we look at the semiconductors, that's a leadership. It doesn't look very good. Industrials, XLI, it ain't going anywhere. IYT, transport, pretty ugly there. Even as I said, the energy sector, it's holding up pretty good, but we got stopped out because when you have the Dow dropping over 1,000 points, I don't want to be long anything until the market settles down. At any rate, that's all I have for this week's video. This is Greg Gallagher with G3 Investors, wishing you good trading and good luck.